Work higher, not harder. Work higher, not harder. Let this be your mantra for the rest of your life. Work higher, not harder. You see, there's a myth out there, the myth of hard work. You see, if hard work was the only reason behind success, then every farmer in India would be a billionaire today. They literally work 18 hours a day nonstop all year long. And then still they struggle to come above the poverty line because hard work is not the answer. Yeah, hard work is good sometimes, it's important sometimes, but it is not enough to make massive changes. Hard work by itself is not enough to take your life to the next level, and it is never enough for exponential progress, for breakthrough success. Your job is to work higher, not harder. Hard work is never enough. For example, if you're chasing triple the goals that you're making right now, if you want to triple your results, you're not going to do that by tripling the number of hours you work, right? So working longer hours is not the answer you're looking for when you're chasing bigger goals. You have to work higher, not harder. So what must we do in order to work higher, not harder? The key here is higher work is higher leverage work. Work that creates massive results for the same number of hours you work. Now, what exactly is higher work? Let me explain. Let me explain through the lens of 80-20 principle. 80-20 principle, it's very fractal in the sense there is an 80-20 inside of 80-20 inside of 80-20. Most of us know the 80-20 principle, which states that 80% of your results come from 20% of your effort, while 20% of your results come from 80% of your effort. But what a lot of people don't know is that there is an 80-20 inside of 80-20. That means 80% of your results, which is 64% of your results, come from 20% of your effort, which is 4% of your effort. Now, this doesn't stop here. It is even more fractal. Fractal means it goes on forever. That means 80% of 80% results come from 20% of 20% effort, which means 80% of 80% results is around 51.2% of your results come from 20% of 20% of effort, which is just 0.8% of your effort. So just to simplify, 51% of your results come from 1% of your effort. Imagine that. So even simpler, 50% of your results are coming from 1% of your effort. So if you work 40 hours a week or 160 hours a month, 1% of your month's 160 hours, which is 1.6 hours, which is 1% of your effort, is giving you 50% of your results. Problem is you don't know where that is or what that is, right? So if you want to triple your results in 1 month, you can try to work 3 times longer, 3 times harder. That's not going to happen, right? Instead, what you need to do is work higher. And if we take the 51-1 formula and you leverage 51-1, you have to first identify what is that 1% work that creates 50% results in my business or in my career. Now, if you 6x the time you spend on that 1% work, you 6x the effort on your 51-1 work. So you not only have 6 times 1% of work, but you have 6 times 51% of the results, which means you get 306% results for just 6 times 1.6 hours, which is 9.6 hours. So just for 10 hours of your work for the month, you get 300% results. Now, this is where it blows people's minds because they have never conceptualized the possibility that this reality even exists. What most people think is linear. They think if I have to triple my results, I have to work triple as long, 3 times as long. But that's not going to work. The key here is that in order to get bigger results, we cannot work harder. We have to work higher. Remember, we have to work higher, which is higher leverage. So here I'm just giving you the 51-1 formula, which is 51% of your results come from 1% of your effort. So if you want to get 300% results instead of 51% results, then you spend 6x more time on your 1% high leverage effort to get 6x the results, which is 6 times 51%, which is 306%. I hope this math is making sense. It's much easier to watch on video to understand what this math is all about. So your job is to do the higher leverage work. Work higher, not harder. This is the work that creates the highest results in your business, in your career. Now, you have to understand what that higher work is in your business or in your career. The problem is it is not always clear. And it may not even be visible to you right now, but it is there. Now, most of us spend all our time working harder, never focus on higher work that gets massive results, because we don't have clarity on a day-to-day basis as to what that higher work is. And we just start our work day, we just jump on the work treadmill and we think, okay, let me just quote unquote work. And before you know it, all you're trying to do is work harder and harder and harder, and you have no idea how to work higher. But all the leverage, all the big results will only come when you work higher, not harder. Now, how do you work higher, not harder, so that you can literally triple your results, just like I was telling you about? Well, I'm hosting a free live masterclass where I'll teach you how to achieve more in the next 30 days than you did in the last 60 days combined without working a minute longer than usual. You can go to 2000books.com/time in order to learn all about this. Now, the thing is, I will teach you how to achieve more in the next 30 days than you did in the last 60 days combined without working a minute longer than usual, without trying to improve your habits, routines, rituals, willpower, work ethic, mindsets, law of attraction, productivity systems, none of that. What I will teach you is groundbreaking. It'll change your life forever. So head on over to 2000books.com/time, register for my live masterclass, and I will teach you how you can triple your results. Literally triple, double, and triple your results. That's the kind of results we've been getting for people who implement what I'm teaching here.